So both legs are working to come to the fifth position. That's it. Very good. Very good. Okay. This is not part of the beginner point shoes, but we can give a try, right? We will cut it. Okay, let's try together. Ready? It's going to be a bit slower. And second, fifth, passe, passe, second, fifth, passe. Now change. To the fourth, heel down, stretch and close. Second, heel down, stretch and close. Fourth, heel down, stretch and close. Slowly. And second, close, passe, passe. Second, close, passe, passe. Four, heel down, stretch and close. Side, heel down, stretch. Four, down, stretch. Finish. Okay, almost there. Okay, we will repeat another time, but good. Well done for all class. It was very good. How do you feel?
Wow. These exercises.
For sure.
This class is so amazing. These exercises are so good for strengthening the ankles. And Olja gives us a good amount of repetition for us to work on strength, which is fantastic. Thank you so much, Olja.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I'm out of breath.
Thank you.
Yes. So, ladies, this is a beginner's point class. Steps at the end are a little bit more intermediate.
Okay.
So if you're just starting out, work on this exercises at the bar, and then you feel confident enough, perhaps with the teacher approval, to go to the center. If you're still a beginner playing at the bar, I recommend getting the teacher to say to go to the center. If you're playing. Because we're working from home and we don't want anybody to see it. So, thank you so much from Serbia. Olja is on vacation from company dance. They have a break for 2 months, is that correct?
Almost.
Vacation, and then we get back to work. So this was a lovely time with her. Well, we got a chance to work with her with us. And Thalia, welcome. We can't wait to see you again. And
Thank you.
yes. Follow our YouTube channel, subscribe, like, comment. We're slowly growing. We have lots of fun activities coming up, stuff around the house, and dancing. Because we don't want to do all that stuff. We just want to dance. So here we are. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.